Hello all, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to write our first real test, like opening the web browser and interacting with the elements present in the uh, website. Okay, so I am following the same way. To write the unit test, we have to keep three things in mind, like we have to arrange first and act on it, and we have to assert it, like AAA principle: arrange, act, and assert. So we are going to follow the same principle, but I am presenting it here in a different way. So first we need to visit the web page, visit a web page, and we need to query for an element that you are looking for, and you need to interact with that element, and finally you need to assert what you are going what you want to do, like you want to verify the content, or you want to verify some text, or if you want to verify if you want to write some text into the field, or you want to check the check boxes or the radio buttons, or you want to select some value from the drop down, like that. So this is the process we are going to follow in our rest of the videos also, and this is the way we are interacting with our web elements. So first we need to visit the web page, and then we need to query for an element and interact with that element and assert what we are expecting from that element. So we will see in action now. So in my previous video, I have created a first sample test. Right now we will create our real test, my real test spec.js. So while writing the test, so Cypress provides us some intelligence to us. So to get the intelligence, we need to add 3 slashes, and then we have to use reference and types is equal to, in the quotes you have to write Cypress, and then close it and close the braces. So if you write this, you will get the intelligence from the Cypress, what keywords we need to use and what methods that it provides. Okay, and let's write. So if you see, if I type des, it shows us the describe. So we need to tell, like, my first real test suit, and then as I told you before, we can use either function or the arrow function here, and we will write our first test. So now it is giving like options, so we no need to it here. I am giving a name as my first real test, and then I'm using the function, and then see. Now to visit the web page in Selenium, we use get method. Now here we will use cy.visit. It is just simple, like whatever we pronounce, like visiting the web page, we'll use the same cy.visit. Here we have to pass our website URL that we want to visit. So here I am using https testing with techbrothers99.com. okay, so let's first see and in execution how it opens. So the moment I save it, it will not execute because we were executing the other test before, and now you can see it has created one more file in the test runner. So if I click on the real test, it will open the browser, and and you can see the first test is executing, and it has opened our website. So we have written only one statement in our test, so visiting the web page, so it has opened and visited the page. So let's continue and write. So I'm opening the same website in my Chrome browser, and I am testing with Tech Brothers 99. So I want to verify this text here. Okay, so I need to query this element. So I just wanted to know which tag it is present. If you see here we are using the h1 tag. So I will get this text using the h1 tag. So if you see here, there are no other h1 tags present in the browser, so I am using directly h1 to get this content in my test. Okay, so to get the h1 tag, I need to use cy.get method, and we need to pass the selector, which selector we need to use. So here I am using the h1 selector. So this is the way of querying an element. So cy.get gives us the h1 tag, and we need to verify the content of this h1 right now. So Cypress provides some built-in assertion functions. One of them is contains, and I need to check for hello. I'm copy pasting the same text here. Okay, so this is arranging, and this is like acting on that one, and this is like assertion. Okay, let's save and see how it behaves. See, our test got passed. Okay, so first it visited the page, and then it queried for an element. If you see, when I place my cursor on h1, get h1 here, so if you see the left hand side, right hand side, it is highlighted of the h1, and it is uh, checking for whether it contains the text or not. So in this way we can do the our principle like arrange, act, and assertion here. So this is our first real test executing using Cypress. Thank you.